bet. So I played her my music, and she said, "Ooh, I just got chills down my spine." I said, "Yeah,
Yeah.
talk to Big Daddy nicely."
Yeah.
But yeah, she came and recorded me performing at the Southwest Garden Festival out Southwest DC.
Yeah.
That's what I'm saying. Like I got a fan off of a Uber ride and I played it and she came and recorded my show and
Yeah.
drove me home. Like what the fuck? Hell
Yeah.
yeah. Don't play
And,
with my pen.
and,
Don't play
and
with my pen.
I like I like how you said you started at the mixtape. I mean, at the open mic circuit too. Because back in I want to say like from '05 to like 2010, the open mic circuit used to be like heavy full of people, like heavy like talented people.